Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with block 19, isn't it, children? So, let's start with block 20, which is sun and the weather. And you all know what is sun, isn't it, children? And what is weather? Weather is nothing but the condition outside is called the weather. That is how the day is. Is it rainy? Is it hot? Is it humid? Is it windy? Okay, so that condition is nothing but your weather, and this weather affects our life. Like if the weather is hot, so we try to wear cotton clothes, isn't it? And we try to drink water a lot, or watermelon you'll have it, so that our body becomes cool, isn't it? Because of that weather. Yes, if it is rainy, you better use your umbrella to protect yourself from rain, isn't it? Or either you will be at home only, isn't it? And if it is windy, you prefer to wear woolen clothes so that can you can bear that wind, strong wind, isn't it, children? So the weather affects our life. Okay, and we have different seasons, and these seasons affect our weather. Okay, so that is our first topic, which is effects of season. How does this season affect the weather? Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 124. 124. So, if you see the seasons, children, if you see the summer season, so summer season, the climate is very hot, and we wear light cotton clothes, isn't it? And also, we wear caps, we also use umbrellas so that we can protect our head, our eyes, and our face from that heat of the sun, isn't it? So, and also, we drink lot of water. Yes, because we get dehydrated because of the heat of the sun, isn't it? So to maintain that, you drink a lot of water, you eat fruits like watermelon, and in the afternoon we prefer to be at home. And children also don't play in the afternoon because in the afternoon the sun rays will be very high, and it affects us, isn't it? We get dehydrated, we get tanned a lot if we play in the afternoon. So we prefer to play in the evenings in the summer, isn't it, children? So that is the effect of summer to the climate. Now to the weather. Okay, now if you see the winter, so how does the winter season? So the weather is very cold, isn't it? So we wear woolen clothes like this, isn't it? So we cover ourselves very properly so that don't get affected with that strong winds, isn't it? And we prefer to have hot meals, isn't it? The after cooking, immediately you will have it, isn't it? Hot milk, hot tea, so that it maintains our body, isn't it? And also, we like to sit out in the sun because of the heat of the sun. In that windy climate weather, we prefer to sit in the sun so that we get some warmth from the sun, isn't it? And children also play in the parks in this season, isn't it? So they cover themselves and they can play also, isn't it, children? So in this way, this season affects the weather. Okay, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and underline in your content book. And if you see any other word difficult for you, you can underline that also, and you can include in your keywords and learn it. Okay, and here you have did you know also, children. Okay, in the same page 124, in the same page. Yes, so it is telling us that ancient India, that means in the olden days, the Indian text talked about 6 seasons. Generally, now we have 3 seasons. We talk about 3 seasons, isn't it, children? Summer, winter, and rainy. And if you have to include, you include the autumn and spring, isn't it? But in the ancient time, they used to calculate the seasons as 6 seasons. They used to talk about seasons as 6 different seasons called, and these seasons were called ritus. Okay, these are hemant ritu, that is pre-winter, before winter. Okay, then it is shishir ritu, that is winter. Okay, basant ritu, which is a spring season. Okay, children, where we celebrate the Holi to welcome the spring season, isn't it? Then you have Grishma Ritu, which is summer season, and it is Varsha Ritu, which is rainy season, and Sharad, which is autumn. Okay, so in this way, people used to calculate the talk about the six different seasons in the ancient times. Okay, children, so this is our topic. Underline the keywords, write it in your classwork, and learn them, children. And coming to your question answers, write two food items that are eaten in the summer and two food eaten in the winter. Why? So if you see summer, children, we try to eat the watermelon, cucumber are eaten in the summer. And why do we eat those food? Because in summer we get dehydrated because of the sun's heat. That's why. And these food items have water content in it. So that's why we prefer to eat watermelon and cucumber in summer. And coming to winter, the weather is cold, isn't it, children? So we try to eat the food which gives us fiber, which keeps us warm from inside also, like hot soups, meat dishes we prefer to have in the winter. And whatever we eat, not only the meat dishes, not only soup, whatever we eat, any curry, anything, any drinks we have, milk, tea, coffee, anything we eat it, any curry we eat it, we prefer to have it hot, so that it it uh, it keeps us warm. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 20, S1, the seasons. Okay, so in the next class we will learn about how we have the changing in the season, why we have so many different seasons. Okay, children, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.